space. It's so beautiful. The elegance, the story of why I love space. Oh, that's so cool, so cool. My computer can't handle the rendering. Oh, that's so cool, so cool. Oh, it's so pretty, so pretty. There are billions and billions of stars. Oh, look, there are billions and billions of galaxies. All right, there's nothing I like more than space. So let's blow something up here.
Let's blow something up here.
Oh. If there was a program for volunteers to go into space with like 100% chance of dying from death by space, I would be first in line. If they needed brave volunteers or stupid volunteers, I would be there so fast. Oh, that's so cool, so cool. My computer can't handle the rendering. Oh, that's